Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about paralysis symptoms, a condition that affects millions of people around the world. Paralysis can be a very serious condition, and it's important to recognize the symptoms so that you can seek treatment as soon as possible. In this video, we'll cover the most common symptoms of paralysis. Number 1 symptom. The first symptom of paralysis is the loss of feeling or sensation in a particular part of the body. This can be a gradual or sudden loss of sensation and can occur in one or more parts of the body. You may experience numbness, tingling, or a pins and needles sensation in the affected area. Number 2 symptom. The second symptom of paralysis is weakness or the inability to move a particular part of the body. This can range from mild weakness to complete paralysis. In some cases, you may be able to move the affected body part, but it will be much weaker than normal. Number 3 symptom. The third symptom of paralysis is muscle spasms. These are involuntary contractions of the muscles and can cause pain, discomfort, or jerky movements in the affected area. Muscle spasms can be triggered by a variety of factors, including stress, fatigue, or dehydration. And another symptom of paralysis is difficulty with coordination and balance. This can make it difficult to perform everyday tasks such as walking or standing. You may feel unsteady or have trouble maintaining your balance. In some cases, paralysis can also cause problems with breathing, swallowing, and speaking. This is more common in cases of paralysis that affect the face, neck, or upper body. Thanks you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative content.